Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Muhammad Zaman Ashraf. I welcome you all in heterocyclic chemistry. Today our lecture is second lecture of nomenclature of heterocyclic compounds. In my first lecture of nomenclature of heterocyclic compounds, I have discussed definition of heterocyclic compounds, some brief introduction of heterocyclic compounds, and some examples of saturated, unsaturated and aromatic heterocycles. We have also discussed applications of heterocyclic compounds in different industry, including pharmaceutical industry. And we have also explained the IUPAC nomenclature of heterocyclic compounds, where we have discussed the Hansch-Widman nomenclature of heterocyclic compounds. So, in Hansch-Widman nomenclature, the prefixes and the suffixes used to name heterocyclic compounds we have discussed in lecture 1 of nomenclature of heterocyclic compounds. So, today we start from the examples of heterocyclic compounds. We start from 3-member, then 4-member, 5-member, 6-member, 7 and 8-member heterocyclic compounds. So, one by one we discussed their examples, their saturated, partially unsaturated and aromatic heterocyclic compounds. For example, if we have 3-member ring having nitrogen, saturated, we have oxygen, saturated, we have sulfur, saturated, and then their unsaturated analogues. For example, we have nitrogen, unsaturated, and sulfur, unsaturated. Then we start with 4-member, saturated, and then unsaturated having 2 double bonds or 1 double bond. In case of oxygen, we know that it is divalent, so here we have only 1 double bond. Same is the case with sulfur. And then 5-member heterocyclic compounds having only 1 atom, saturated, and then its oxygen analog and sulfur analog. For example, we have R, sulfur. Then partially unsaturated and fully unsaturated. Then we have 6-member, fully saturated, oxygen, same with sulfur. So, and then we start with fully unsaturated. So, here we have, so partially unsaturated and fully unsaturated are aromatic heterocyclic compounds will be discussed today. So, their rules and their name of rings, name of heteroatom. So, today one by one we discussed all these examples. So, in this case, अभी तक जो मैंने यहाँ examples लिखी हैं, all they contain only 1 heteroatom. Okay. So, we will also discuss in this lecture the monocyclic ring with 2 atoms or monocyclic ring with 2 atoms and double bonds present in this case. So, after that, then we will discuss, suppose we have 5-member ring, 2 atoms. Here we have nitrogen, or here we have oxygen. Here we have oxygen and sulfur, but this nitrogen then position is like that. Okay. So, again then we have 1 double bond and then 2 double bond. After that we will discuss fused ring heterocyclic compounds. For example, when benzene is fused with 5-member ring, or when benzene is fused with 6-membered ring, or when benzene is fused with. So these fused ring heterocyclic compounds will also be discussed in this lecture, and then examples with the substituent. And bicyclo heterocyclic compounds will also be discussed today, and at the end we will discuss another type of nomenclature which is called replacement nomenclature. So this is all about for this 2-day lecture. So by giving examples, these monocyclic with 1 atom and with 2 atom and then 3, 4, 5, all these rings with the examples I will explain today. So let's start with these examples. First, I just show you this table for prefix. In my previous lecture, first lecture of nomenclature of heterocyclic compound, I have already explained this. So for oxygen we have oxa, for sulfur we have thia, for nitrogen we have aza. So the prefixes in the nomenclature of heterocyclic compound, they show the type of heteroatom. This is the suffixes table. So it means in the nomenclature of heterocyclic compounds, the suffixes show these rings 3, 4, 5, 6. So it means the ring system is defined by suffix and also show the presence of 1 double bond, 2 double bond, or either it is fully saturated or it is unsaturated. First, the monocyclic system. This is aziridine. It means when nitrogen is present in 3-membered ring and it is fully saturated. So these 3 systems, they are fully saturated, and 1 heteroatoms are present. For nitrogen we have aziridine. For oxygen we have oxyrane. Commonly it is known as ethylene epoxide, and this is thyrane. So thia from sulfur, and here 1 double bond is present in this cyclic ring. So when we have 3-membered ring and 1 double bond is present, this compound is azyrene. And when single bonds are present in case of this 3-membered ring containing oxygen, it is oxyrane and this is oxyrene. So ene show the presence of 1 double bond. Same is the case with this sulfur containing heterocyclic compound in which 1 carbon-carbon double bond is present. So its name is thyrene. So monocyclic system, 4-membered rings. So when we have nitrogen in 4-membered ring and system is fully saturated, its name is azitidine. So in case of oxygen, it is oxytane, and for sulfur it is thietane. So ane, it show that this system, it is fully saturated system. Little bit difference is when nitrogen is present, it is azitidine. So when fully unsaturated 4-membered ring containing nitrogen, its name is azit, and this is oxit or oxytene. So here you can see that when single bonds are present, oxytane, when 1 double bond is present, oxytene. So here if we have 1 double bond, then this oxygen, then it is positively charged. Okay, we know that oxygen, it is present in group number 6. So whenever it forms 3 covalent bonds, it becomes positively charged. Same is the case with this sulfur containing heterocycle. It is thite or thitene. So here we have 2 examples substituted. It is 1, 2, 3. At position 3 we have 1 methyl group. So name of this molecule is 3-methyl azit. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So 2 methyl groups are present at position 2 and 4. So name of this compound is 2,4-dimethyl thietane. तो इस तरह आप इन पे मिथाइल, इथाइल या क्लोरो या मिथॉक्सी या आप जो है वो कोई भी अल्काइल या हैलोजन, ये सारे ग्रुप्स लगा के आप इनको जो है वो नेमिंग कर सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल अगर यहाँ मिथाइल की जगह आपके पास मिथॉक्सी होता, OCH3 होता, तो आप इसे कहते हैं 3-मिथॉक्सी एजिड. और अगर यहाँ फॉर एग्जांपल आपके पास यहाँ भी एक मिथाइल होता तो आप इसे कहते हैं 2, 3, 4 ट्राईमिथाइल थाइटेन. तो नंबर ऑफ डिफरेंट सब्स्टिट्यूएंट लगा के आप इनको जो है वो नाम दे सकते हैं. So next 5-membered ring, first fully saturated and then partially unsaturated and then aromatic. So one by one I discuss their names. If nitrogen is present in 5-membered ring then it is azolane. It shows that system is fully saturated. Okay, commonly it is known as pyrrolidine. फिर मैं आपको बता दूं, कभी भी आप जो है वो ऑर्गेनिक हेटेरोसाइक्लिक कंपाउंड्स आपके सामने आए और एजा का वर्ड आए तो आप समझे उसमें नाइट्रोजन होगी, अगर ऑक्सा का वर्ड आए तो आप समझे उसमें ऑक्सीजन होगी, और अगर फर्ज करें थाया या जो है वो मरकैप्टो आए तो उसमें सल्फर जो है वो हेटेरोएटम होगा. सो इट इज एजोलेन, इट इज ऑक्सोलेन. Okay, when oxygen is present in 5-member ring, this is well known compound. Its abbreviation is THF, tetrahydrofuran, known as tetrahydrofuran cyclic ether. Okay, so it is used in organic reaction as inert solvent. It is thiolane. We have sulfur, saturated 5-member ring, thiolane. So when one double bond is present, this compound is called pyrroline. So it is 2-pyrroline. If this carbon-carbon double bond is present between nitrogen and this carbon, then this compound is called 1-pyrroline. And if this double bond is present between 3 and 4, then this compound is known as 3-pyrroline. So it means 1-pyrroline, 2-pyrroline and 3-pyrroline, they are isomeric. They have different position of carbon-carbon double bond. Another way of naming this compound is 2,3-dihydro-1H-pyrrole. ओके, अगर यहाँ भी एक डबल बॉन्ड होता तो ये पाइरोल था. अभी नेक्स्ट स्लाइड में मैं आपको ये जो है वो दिखाता हूँ. सो इट इज़ 2,3-डाइहाइड्रोफ्यूरैन. अगर यहाँ डबल बॉन्ड हो तो फ्यूरैन. सो इट इज़ 2,3-डाइहाइड्रोफ्यूरैन. सो नेम ऑफ दिस मॉलिक्यूल इज 2,3-डाइहाइड्रोथायोफीन. सो दीज कंपाउंड्स दे कंटेन ओनली 1 कार्बन-कार्बन डबल बॉन्ड in 5-membered ring. So here you can see that 2 double bonds are present in this 5-membered ring. Okay, so it is azole. So azole show 5-membered ring with nitrogen as a heteroatom, fully unsaturated system. Commonly it is known as pyrrole. So this here we have 2 double bonds, 4 pi electrons are present. In upcoming discussion मैं वहाँ आपको जब हम इनकी एरोमेटिसिटी जो है वो डिस्कस करेंगे तो lone pair of this nitrogen is involved in resonance, so that's a system it will become aromatic in nature. Pyrrole, furan and thiophene, they are aromatic in nature. Okay, they contain 6 pi electron system. So it is oxole or furan, it is thiol or thiophene. Name of this compound is azinane. Okay, so you can see that azole or azinane. So azinane, it shows that only single bonds are present in cyclic ring, 6-membered ring. If azine अगर यहाँ use करेंगे तो fully unsaturated. So it is azinane or piperidine, commonly known as piperidine. This compound is used as a catalyst, base catalyst in some organic reactions. It is oxane, cyclic ether, 6-membered ring, oxane. It is thiane and 7-membered ring containing 1 heteroatom and fully saturated system. It is azipane. So ANE shows only single bond. Okay, so for 6-membered ring azinane, for 7-membered ring azipane. It is oxipane, oxygen, 7-membered ring, oxipane, and it is thiopane. So when 8-membered rings are present, then we use cane. Okay, so azinane, azipane, azicane, 6-membered, 7-membered and 8-membered rings. So this is azocane. तो ये आपने जनरल रूल याद रखना है कि अगर आपके पास एक सैचुरेटेड सिस्टम है और 6-membered है नाइट्रोजन एजिनेन, अगर 7-membered है एजिपेन और अगर 8-membered है तो आप इसे, अगर 8-membered है तो आप इसे कहेंगे azocane. It is oxocane, it is thiocane. Okay, oxygen oxocane and sulfur thiocane. So this is fully unsaturated system. It is azene. So azene or pyridine, it means when nitrogen is present in 6-membered ring and system is fully unsaturated, then it is known as azene. अगर 2 नाइट्रोजन होंगे तो डाइजीन, 1,2-डाइजीन और 3 नाइट्रोजन अगर इस रिंग में होंगे तो ट्राइजीन. तो यहाँ आप याद रखें एजीन का वर्ड जब आए तो सिस्टम इज फुल्ली अनसैचुरेटेड, it is aromatic in nature and nitrogen is present in 6-membered ring. So it is 1,4-dihydropyridine, 1 and 4 position, it is saturated, sp3 hybridized. In this case, all the ring atoms, they are sp2 hybridized. So this is 1 2 3 4, these 4 carbons, these 3 carbons and 1 hydrogen, they are sp3 hybridized. So that's why we show the position of the hydrogen 1 2 3 4 tetrahydropyridine. So monocyclic system with oxygen, so it is pyrene. This compound is pyrene. So 2 carbon number 2, it is sp3 hybridized. Other 4 carbons 1 2 3 4 ये जो चारों हैं, these are sp2 hybridized. So we show this carbon as 2H pyrene. Okay, यहाँ आप जो है वो 1 2 3 4, अब यहाँ 2 कार्बन जो है वो sp3 हाइब्रिडाइज थी, यहाँ 4 कार्बन sp3 हाइब्रिडाइज है, तो आप इसे जो है वो लिखेंगे 4H पाइरेन. सो हियर वी हैव 1 2 3, ये जो है कार्बन हैं, दीज आर sp3 हाइब्रिडाइज, और अगर यहाँ डबल बॉन्ड हो तो हम इन्हें पाइरेन कहते हैं. ठीक है, अब ये जो 3 और 4 पोजिशन है, ये जो है वो रिड्यूस्ड है, सिंगल बॉन्ड है यहाँ, तो यहाँ शो करेंगे 3 4 डाईहाइड्रो 2H pyrene. Again we have 2H thiopyrene. This is pyrene, but instead of oxygen here we have sulfur. That's why it is referred as 2H thiopyrene, and it is 4H thiopyrene because this carbon number 4 is sp3 hybridized. So we have monocyclic system, 7-membered and 8-membered, which are unsaturated. So in this case we use azipene. For saturated system we use azipane, and for unsaturated system we use azipene. This is oxipene. Okay, oxygen and double bonds are present in 7-membered rings. Oxipene, it is thiopene. Okay, for sulfur, if sulfur is present instead of oxygen, thiopene. So for 8-membered ring, when it is unsaturated, in case of saturated we have used the word azocane, and in this case we use azocene. For this compound we use oxocene, but position of this 2, this is sp3 hybridized. So here we show this position with hydrogen. So name of this molecule is 2H oxocene. Here we have 3 double bonds. This is 2H thiocene. So trivial names are permitted for some system like pyrrole, pyridine in IUPAC system. For partly or completely saturated ring, dihydro, tetrahydro should be used when no endings are specified. So next is monocyclic system with 2 heteroatoms. So this is saturated. अगर 1 नाइट्रोजन हो तो हम इसे जो है वो एजाइरिडीन कहते थे, अगर 2 नाइट्रोजन है तो आपके पास डाई एजाइरिडीन, आपके पास ऑक्सीजन और नाइट्रोजन होगा तो ऑक्सीजाइरिडीन, अगर सल्फर और नाइट्रोजन है देन इट इज थायाजाइरिडीन. ओके, सो इट शो दैट डाइजाइरिडीन शो 2 नाइट्रोजन आर प्रेजेंट. ऑक्स एज दिस इज प्रीफिक्स, this prefix show that here we have oxygen and nitrogen. Thi as it is sulfur and nitrogen, they are present in 3-membered ring, but system is fully saturated. So here we have, in case of 4-membered ring, we have 2 nitrogen, it is 1,2 diazitidine. अगर 1 नाइट्रोजन हो तो हम इसे एजिटिडीन कहते थे, अगर आपके पास 2 नाइट्रोजन है एक साइक्लिक रिंग में, then its name is 1,2 diazitidine. So here we have 2 oxygen at 1,3 position, 1,3 dioxetane. For 1 oxygen, oxetane. For 2 oxygen, dioxetane. Okay. So here we have 1,2 dithietane. तो यहाँ आप सब्स्टिट्यूएंट लगा के भी इनके जो है वो नाम दे सकते हैं. सपोज अगर यहाँ फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपके पास मिथाइल हो तो आप इसे कहेंगे 3 मिथाइल 1,2 डाइएजिटिडीन. सेम इज द केस विद दिस हेटेरोसाइक्लिक सिस्टम, कि यहाँ आप मिथाइल, इथाइल या आप यहाँ मिथॉक्सी या हाइड्रोजन कोई भी सब्स्टिट्यूएंट लगा के उसकी पोजीशन पहले मेंशन कर दें, फिर उसका नाम दे दें, और फिर ये जो भी साइक्लिक सिस्टम हो इसका आप नाम दे सकते हैं. सो 5-membered रिंग कंटेनिंग 2 हेटेरोएटम्स. सो इट इज, अगर आपके पास 1 नाइट्रोजन था तो हमने उसे एजोल कहा था, अगर आपके पास 2 नाइट्रोजन है तो आप उसे डायाजोल जो है वो कहेंगे. सो डायाजोल शो 2 नाइट्रोजन आर प्रेजेंट इन 5-membered रिंग. एजोल को आपने याद रखना है, जब कभी एजोल आए तो इट मीन्स कि 5 मेंबर रिंग है और वहां नाइट्रोजन है। सो 1,2 डायाजोल, इसका कॉमन नेम पायराजोल भी हम इसे जो है वो कहते हैं। सो दिस इज 1 and 2 पोजिशन। अगर ये 1,3 पे होंगे तो फिर हम इसे 1,3 डायाजोल एंड इट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज इमिडाजोल। So here we have oxygen and nitrogen are present in cyclic ring. Then its name is 1,3-oxazole. 1, 2, 3. Numbering start from this oxygen. So 1,3-oxazole. It shows that oxygen and nitrogen are present in 5-member ring. So it is again we have this is 1,3 and it is 1,2. So 1,2-oxazole, or it is also known as isoxazole. Here we have sulfur instead of oxygen. Name of this compound is 1,3-thiazole. So it shows that thia sulfur and as a nitrogen. So thia as mean sulfur and nitrogen are present in cyclic ring. So 1,3-thiazole. Here we have 3 nitrogens are present in this molecule. So 1,3,4 name is 1,3,4-triazole. It is triazole and it is oxadiazole. So position 1, 2, 3, 4. 1,3,4 oxadiazole. It shows that 1 oxygen and 2 nitrogens are present in 5-membered ring. So it is thiadiazole. Okay, thia from sulfur and diazole, 2 nitrogens are present in cyclic ring. 1,3,4 thiadiazole. It shows that sulfur and 2 nitrogens are present in this cyclic system. 6-membered ring containing 2 nitrogens or multiple heteroatoms. So here we have, अभी मैंने आपको बताया था कि अगर एक नाइट्रोजन 6 मेंबर में हो हम उसे एजीन कहते हैं, अगर 2 होंगे आप उसे डायजीन कहेंगे, अगर 3 होंगे तो आप उसे ट्रायाजीन कहेंगे। दीज आर आइसोमेरिक। फॉर एग्जांपल हियर वी हैव 1,2 डायजीन आल्सो नोन एज पिरिडाजीन। इट इज 1,3 डायजीन 1, 2, 3 1,3 डायजीन आल्सो नोन एज pyrimidine. So it is 1,4-diazine also known as pyrazine. These ring systems are very much important as they are present. For example, this is pyrimidine, they are present in nucleic DNA basis, okay, and this is pyrazine, a well-known anti-TB drugs, pyrazinamide. It contains this cyclic system, this heterocyclic system. So it is 1, 2, 3 triazine. It will be 1, 2, 4, not 1, 3, 4, okay. So you count this 1, 2, 4 or 1, 3, 4, then lower number it will give preference. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 4 triazine. It will be 1, 3, 5 triazine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 3, 5 triazine. So oxygen and nitrogen or sulfur and nitrogen or 2 oxygen or 2 sulfur when they are present in 6-membered ring. So it will be 1,4-oxazine. So oxazine, it shows that oxygen and nitrogens are present in 6-membered ring and azine mean double bonds are present. So it will be position of oxygen and sulfur are 1,4. That's why it is 1,4-oxazine. It is 1,4-thiazine, okay, because sulfur and nitrogen are present in 6-membered ring. Thiazine, thia from sulfur and as from nitrogen. It is 1,4-dioxane. अगर एक ही ऑक्सीजन हो 6-membered रिंग में और सिस्टम फुल्ली सैचुरेटेड हो तो उसे ऑक्सेन कहते हैं। अगर 2 ऑक्सीजन हैं तो डाइऑक्सेन, और इनकी जो पोजीशन है वो 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 4 है। सो इट्स नेम इज 1,4-dioxane. It will be 1,4-dithiane. Thiane show that 2 sulfurs are present. So these 2 compounds they are present as tautomeric forms. So it will be oxadiazole. And oxadiazole is 1,3,4 oxadiazole, and here we have mercapto group or 2-thiol. So 1,3,4 oxadiazole 2-thiol, and this thiol or thione tautomerism they are present because 1 hydrogen from this sulfur is shifted to this nitrogen. We have another tautomer. So name of this compound is 1,3,4 oxadiazole 2-thione. Okay, so they are interconvertible because of the shifting of hydrogen from sulfur to nitrogen. Okay, so we know that shifting of 1 hydrogen from 1 atom to another within same molecule giving another structure, both are tautomeric relationship, or no, they are tautomers. Some more examples in which hydrogen shifted from nitrogen to oxygen. It is actually pyridine and carbon double bond oxygen is present at position 2. So it is pyridine to 1H on. So this 1H shows the hydrogen is present at nitrogen. So when this hydrogen is shifted to oxygen, this oxygen is converted into hydroxyl group. So this is pyridine. Okay, at pyridine position 2 we have hydroxy functional group. So name of this compound is 2-hydroxypyridine. So it means hydroxypyridine and pyridone, they are present in tautomeric forms. So here we have carbon double bond oxygen bond is present at position 4. यहाँ आपके पास 2 पोजीशन पे था और यहाँ आपके पास 4 पोजीशन पे है, 1 2 3 4. नेम ऑफ दिस मॉलिक्यूल इज pyridine, 4 1H on. So this 4 positions show the presence of carbon double bond oxygen. Again this is tautomeric with this hydroxypyridine. For example, this hydrogen from this nitrogen is shifted to oxygen. So it will give double bond here, and this double bond shifted here, and this double bond shifted this oxygen. So hydrogen from this nitrogen is shifted to this oxygen. So name of this molecule is 1 2 3 4. At position 4 we have hydroxy group. It is 4-hydroxypyridine. This is pyrimidine, okay, and at position 2 we have carbon double bond oxygen. Or name of this molecule is pyrimidine 2,1H on. तो ये भी टॉटोमेरिक फॉर्म में एग्जिस्ट करेगा, इसके हाइड्रोक्सी टॉटोमर, जब ये हाइड्रोजन फ्रॉम दिस नाइट्रोजन इज शिफ्टेड टू दिस ऑक्सीजन, तो उस केस में इसका नाम होगा 2-hydroxypyrimidine, जैसे मैंने यहां शो किया है. सो इट आल्सो एग्जिस्ट इन इट्स हाइड्रोक्सी टॉटोमर. So some more examples. This will be 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this carbon is sp3 hybridized. All these atoms, they are sp2 hybridized. So name of this molecule is 6H125 thiadiazine. Thiadiazine, it shows that sulfur is present, thia, and diaz mean 2 nitrogens are present in this cyclic system. Azine mean 6-membered ring with double bonds. Okay? आप इसे जो है वो नंबरिंग, जब अगर आप यहाँ से इस तरफ से स्टार्ट करेंगे तो नाइट्रोजन की जो पोजीशन है वो फिर जो है वो 3-6 हो जाएगी, इसलिए आप 2-4 को प्रेफर करते हैं, 2-5 को. सो हियर वी हैव डायाजोल, 1-2 डायाजोल. सो 1 2 3 4 5, 3 इथाइल, 5 मिथाइल, 1-2 डायाजोल. Okay, numbering start from this nitrogen towards this nitrogen, not 1-2. Okay, so it is 1-2 diazole, and alphabetically ethyl comes first as compared to methyl. So 3 ethyl, 5 methyl, 1-2 diazole. Some compounds are defined by the prefixes bi, tert, quad. It means that 2, 3 or 4 rings they are present, and these are named as, for example, this is bipyridine because 2 pyridine rings are joined and their position is 1 2 and 1 prime 2 prime. So it is 2 prime bipyridine. Okay, so this show the linkage of these 2 rings. So here we have 3 rings are joined. So it is 1 2, 1 prime 2 prime, it is 1 double prime 2 double prime 3 double prime. So here we can show that 2 prime और ये जो रिंग है वो 4 prime and 3 double prime इस पोजीशन पे ये जो है वो लिंक्ड हैं. तो यहाँ आप सिर्फ इनकी लिंकेज जो है वो शो कर रहे हैं. एंटर्ड थायोफीन मीन 3 जो है वो रिंग यहाँ मौजूद हैं. So next, some examples of fused ring heterocycles. Fused ring heterocycles are those in which 2 rings they are joined to each other. यहाँ आप देख सकते हैं benzene ring is fused with this pyrrole. This is benzene ring fused with furan, and benzene ring is fused with thiophene. Here benzene ring is fused with pyridine. This benzene ring is fused with pyridine, but position of this nitrogen and this nitrogen, they are different. These 2 are isomeric to each other, and these are some examples. Compounds in which 2 rings are joined in such a way both rings share 2 atoms, fused ring heterocycles. The trivial names are permitted for a number of these systems, जैसे क्यूनोलीन मैं भी आपसे जो है वो शेयर करता हूँ. So it is benzo B-pyrrole. B show that nitrogen is present at position B. This is A and this is B. So benzo B-pyrrole. Commonly it is known as indole. It is benzo B-furan. Again, this position of oxygen is at B. A and B. Benzo B-furan. It is benzo B-thiophene. It will be benzo B pyridine. A and B, this is pyridine and this is benzo. So benzo B pyridine, commonly it is known as quinoline, and this is benzo C pyridine, A, B and C. So position of this nitrogen is C with reference to this fused carbon. Benzo C pyridine, also known as isoquinoline. These two are isomeric to each other. It is 4-aminoquinoline, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4-aminoquinoline, and it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 aminoquinoline. I just show this example here because these 4 aminoquinolines and 8 aminoquinolines, they in their derivatives, they are well known antimalarial agents. So here's some examples of more fused ring system. Quinoxaline, when two nitrogens, they are present when benzene is fused with pyrazine. So it is known as quinoxaline. So it is quinoxaline. At position 2 we have carbon double bond oxygen. So here we show that quinoxaline 2 1H on. Okay. So numbering start from this nitrogen 1 and 2. So here we have tryptophan, a well known amino acid within our body which is required for some neurotransmission. हमें पता है serotonin, it is actually जो है वो उसी तरह इंडोल का डेरिवेटिव है, एंड दिस इज अ वेल नोन हार्मोन जो कि हमारे ब्रेन की जो है वो रिलैक्सेशन या जो है वो एक्साइटमेंट का बायस बनता है. ओके, दिस इज सेरोटोनिन. एंड क्यूनिन, this is actually common name and permitted in IUPAC system. So this is quinine, a well known antimalarial drug. ये सिंकोना एल्कलाइड्स का एक डेरिवेटिव है, और सिंकोना एल्कलाइड्स में क्यूनिन है, क्यूनिडीन है, या सिंकोनिन है, सिंकोनिडीन है, और इन चारों जो कंपाउंड्स हैं इनमें से जो मोस्ट एक्टिव एंटीमलेरियल है वो क्यूनिन है. और क्यूनिन आप देख सकते हैं ये भी एक क्यूनोलिन का जो है वो डेरिवेटिव है. सो हियर वी हैव pyrimidine basis, DNA basis, adenine and guanine, in which heterocyclic rings are present. So next, the last is replacement nomenclature. So in Hash-Widman nomenclature, we omitted letter A. Okay, ये जब मैंने आपको इसका रूल बताए थे तो हमने जो है वो लेटर A को omit किया था from prefixes, but this nomenclature retained this letter in prefix. This is also referred as A nomenclature. The position and prefix for each heteroatom written in front of cycloalkane or hydrocarbon. इस nomenclature में आप इनको जो है वो हेटेरोसाइकल्स की बजाय आप ये कंसिडर करते हैं कि ये सारे जो हैं वो क्या हैं, अल्केन्स हैं, और आप इन हेटेरोएटम्स की पोजीशन जो है वो अल्केन के नाम से पहले मेंशन कर देते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, अगर फ़र्ज़ करें यहाँ कार्बन हो तो हम इसे कहें साइक्लोब्यूटाडाइन. अब यहाँ नाइट्रोजन है तो आप जो है वो हेटेरोएटम को पहले शो कर देते हैं एज अ साइक्लोब्यूटाडाइन. सो इट शो दैट साइक्लोब्यूटाडाइन रिंग इट कंटेन वन नाइट्रोजन. सो इट इज ऑक्सा. ओके, अगर यहाँ कार्बन हो तो हम इसे कहते हैं साइक्लोपेंटाडाइन. तो अगर ऑक्सीजन है, हेटेरोसाइकल है, तो आप इसे ऑक्सा साइक्लोपेंटा 2,4 डाइईन. ओके, सो 1 2 3 4 2,4 डाइईन. ठीक है, और यहाँ आप इसे जो है वो साइक्लोहेक्सेन कहते हैं. अगर ये सल्फर और नाइट्रोजन ना होते तो अब यहाँ नंबरिंग सल्फर से आप स्टार्ट कर दें 1 2 3 4, 1 थाया, 4 एज अ साइक्लोहेक्सेन. सो इट मीन अगर नाइट्रोजन और सल्फर ना हो तो ये साइक्लोहेक्सेन है, और प्रीफिक्स में आप इनकी पोजीशन और इनके नाम हेटेरोएटम के नाम लिख देते हैं. सो इट विल बी 2 ऑक्सा 1 and 2. एट 2 पोजिशन वी हैव ऑक्सीजन. 2 ऑक्सा बाईसाइक्लो 2 cycles. 3 3 0. Here we have 3 atoms. Here we have 3 atoms. 3 3. And between this bridge we don't have any atom. So that's why 0. अगर यहाँ एक एटम हो तो फिर हम इसे 1 2 3 जितने भी एटम्स होंगे उस लिहाज से लिखेंगे. So here we have no atoms between these two, this bridge between these two carbon. So it is 0. Octane, total 8 atoms are present in the ring. So here we have 6 atoms are present. तो ये अगर नाइट्रोजन ना हो तो हम इसे साइक्लोहेक्सेन कहते हैं. अब चूंकि नाइट्रोजन है तो आप इसे एज अ साइक्लोहेक्सेन. सो इट विल बी फिनेंथ्रीन. ये फिनेंथ्रीन सिस्टम था, एंड नाइट्रोजन आर प्रेजेंट एट पोजीशन 3 and 9. तो आप इन दोनों नाइट्रोजन को शो कर दें. 3 9 डाई एज अ फिनेंथ्रीन. सो हियर वी हैव ए डाई एज अ फिनेंथ्रीन. So here we have one atom at bridgehead. So at 7th position we have oxygen, name is 7-oxa bicyclo. Both atoms are present, 2 atoms are present in both these rings, 2 to 1. Between the bridge we have 1 atom. So 2 to 1 heptane. It will be same as this one. Here we have oxygen, here we have nitrogen. तो ऑक्सीजन के लिए आपने ऑक्सा का वर्ड यूज किया और नाइट्रोजन के लिए आप जो है वो एजा का वर्ड यूज करेंगे. सो इट विल बी 7 एजा बाइसाइक्लो 2 to 1. So it show that one atom is present between this bridge. So 2 to 1 heptane. It will be 1,3 डाईएजा बेंजीन. अगर ये दोनों नाइट्रोजन ना हो तो फिर ये जो है वो क्या होती बेंजीन. तो आप यहाँ इसकी पोजीशन मेंशन कर दें 1,3 डाईएजा बेंजीन. It will be 1,4 diaza benzene. Okay, so this is an example. So here we have 1, numbering start from this nitrogen, 1 2 3 4. So bridge is present between this carbon and this nitrogen. Okay, so its name is 2,3 dimethyl 1-aza bicyclo. अब ये बाईसाइक्लो सिस्टम है और दोनों में एक एक एटम है 1 और ब्रिज के दरमियान कोई भी एटम नहीं है. सो इट विल बी एजा बाइसाइक्लो 110 ब्यूटेन. टोटल 4 एटम्स आर प्रेजेंट इन दिस रिंग. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द नॉमेनक्लेचर ऑफ हेटेरोसाइक्लिक कंपाउंड्स. वी हैव डिस्कस्ड अ नंबर ऑफ एग्जांपल्स ऑफ हेटेरोसाइक्लिक कंपाउंड्स with monocyclic 1 atom or 2 atom, saturated, partially unsaturated and fully unsaturated system, and then fused ring or bicyclo system we have discussed in this lecture. तो आप जितनी भी ये रिंग सिस्टम है इनमें आप सब्स्टिट्यूएंट जो है वो लगा के मिथाइल या मिथॉक्सी या क्लोरो या जो भी इसमें जो है वो ग्रुप हो, हाइड्रोक्सिल हो या अमाइनो हो, तो जो मेन रिंग सिस्टम है उसके लिए आपने प्रीफिक्स और सफिक्स, जिस तरह मैंने बताया प्रीफिक्स जो है वो हेटेरोएटम को बताएगा और सफिक्स जो है वो रिंग सिस्टम को बता रहा होगा. इस तरह आप इनकी नेमिंग कर सकते हैं. सो इन माय अपकमिंग लेक्चर इन हेटेरोसाइक्लिक केमिस्ट्री, first I start with 3-member ring and then so on 4 and higher rings. So I will discuss their preparations and chemical reactions and some examples of these heterocyclic compounds. Thank you very much.